and welcome to Finextra. I'm Emily Haller and I'm here with Kosta Peric of the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. And we're at the Innovate Finance Global Summit 2017. Thank you very much for joining me.
With pleasure, Emily.
How well do you think the regulators around the world have done so far in taking advantage of and spreading the benefits of fintech?
So I would give it like a B. There were some, I think, reasonable attempts to integrate fintechs into the main tissue of the financial services, but I think there is a lot more progress to be made here in developed countries, but especially in the countries where I work, in Africa and Asia.
In the context of financial inclusion, how do you see regtech contributing?
It's very important. So we have to connect 2 billion people who are today unbanked to a financial system, adequate financial system. The key word is adequate. Regulation has a huge role to play. One role is about allowing access to the people, because most of the people I talk about are rural, so they are very far from a bank branch, they are very far from an ATM. So the first key regulatory challenge is to crowd in players who actually can reach the people there, and notably the telecommunication companies, because they serve these people with a mobile phone. So that's kind of one huge area. The other huge area has to do with KYC and ID. So how do we make sure that we can get these people on board with minimum hassle? That's the tiered KYC concept that we have seen been developing. So it's very important, and we work a lot with regulators and central banks in the countries where we work. And so far it's been a good engagement, and we see a lot of positive results.
So what will it take to fulfill the potential of fintech and regtech in order to meet the goals of financial inclusion efforts underway?
I think what is needed now is some kind of a guiding principle, because otherwise we will run rapidly some form of chaos. So we at Gates Foundation, we have been working on what we call the Level 1 project, which really is a kind of a guiding principle of what does an adequate financial service look for the poor, and where are the spaces where innovation is needed in the regtech category, fintech category, and actually the incumbent industry as well, who has a very important role to play. So it's really about collaboration, and especially on the private sector side, collaborate in order to compete better. That's a little tricky, but we can see very positive results of that in Tanzania, Pakistan, and other countries in Africa and Asia.
Kosta, thank you very much.
With pleasure.
And thank you for watching.